Hey guys, Justin here at AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're talking about the benefits of using the McLeod high-performance braided stainless steel clutch line, available for all 2005 and newer manual V8 Mustangs. Now, you should be checking out the braided option here from McLeod if you're looking to replace the cheap plastic factory option, which can be prone to failure or swelling, with a Teflon-lined stainless steel option that will hold up to the harshest conditions, while at the same time offering a smoother, more consistent clutch pedal engagement. So big features here with the braided line from the industry leader McLeod will be the overall durability of the line itself, paired up with the improved pedal feel and clutch engagement. Now the reality is, guys, that factory plastic line can be prone to things like swelling or even breaking when things get a bit hot, which at that point you're basically stranded, right? Because you're losing your clutch functionality. Now I've also heard of people losing that plastic factory clutch line due to contact with long tube headers or even downpipes, which is obviously also a concern. Now, the braided line here from McLeod, on the other hand, will eliminate all of this thanks to the durable construction, and as a result will also improve your clutch feel, engagement, and shift consistencies. Now, as the name implies, guys, the McLeod will feature a braided stainless steel exterior design with the Teflon interior lining, and that's going to further increase the strength of the line itself here and prevent that swelling that we talked about with the factory plastic line. Now, altogether, the line itself does measure 36 inches in length, does include two AN4 fittings, male fittings that is, for a direct factory swap without the need for any extras. Now, finally, guys, don't feel like you have to take my word for on the benefits of installing a clutch line like this. Instead, feel free to read up on the hundreds of 5-star reviews back on the product page from manual Mustang owners out there who have installed this thing, myself included, and have really enjoyed the benefits after the install. Now, your price point for the McLeod option here, the stainless steel option, will live just below $100, which does put this right in line with other budget-friendly options currently on the site, such as options from SR Performance. But at the same time, this and that SR option are still a far cry from the nearly $350 option from the gang at Ford Performance. So if you are looking to enjoy the benefits, but do so kind of on a budget, the McLeod is certainly a great way to go. Now, install, at least according to the site, guys, going to get a middle of the road 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you 2 hours at most to complete from start to finish. Now, as someone who has actually tackled this job on my S197 at home, I will say it's not really a difficult job, but it's a very, very tight space you have to work in. So if you have big hands or big arms like myself, it can be a little bit tricky. Now, obviously getting the car in the air will help you a bunch. So if you have a lift, definitely going to make your life easier here at the end of the day. But either way, guys, there is a nice detailed write-up from the gang at McLeod on the product page for you, or feel free to cruise some of our other videos here on the channel to give you a better idea of just how this will go down once you get the install going. So if you're looking to fortify your entire manual transmission and clutch experience, well then adding a braided line like the McLeod here would certainly be a wise, and in this case, a budget-friendly decision. Now, if you're interested, you can always check out your option right here at AmericanMuscle.com.